DIY football balloon cake topper. This is simply made by a balloon. We're using a 12-inch balloon, a straw, and we're using 2 ribbons, one to pull through the balloon and one to tie as a ribbon. Start off by popping the balloon. This is quite a large balloon. We're taking the nozzle all the way to the end to give it the round effect, and we're making it as big as we want, so this is around 6 inches, and we'll tie the knot nice and secure so the gas or the air does not escape. Now we're getting one of the longer ribbons. What we're going to do is tie it just under the balloon knot. Make sure to pull the knot like I'm doing so here, just to make it a little bit smaller so it's easier to push through the straw when you'll be doing that. Give it a nice tug to make it nice and tight. Now what we will do here is we will just cut off the end of the balloon and the ribbon end and dispose these. Now get some scissors and you'll just snip maybe half a centimetre off the end of the straw and make a slit, and you'll put the ribbon through the straw, and then once that's done you'll need to pull it out from the other end. Pull the ribbon through, and carefully with your fingers you'll just need to gently pull through the ribbon and the balloon knot, and eventually what would happen is that they both would go through the straw and just sit at the top like this. Now we are ready to tie the ribbon on the balloon. The best way I find it is lay the balloon onto the surface and tie the knot and simply make a bow. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do any bow tutorial or what balloon cake topper tutorial colours you would like me to do next, and I certainly will do. Tidy up the ribbon, make it nice tightly, and then push it up all the way to the balloon. And there we go, our simple balloon cake topper is ready. Will look great on any football cake or just on a simple cake, and your little ones will absolutely love it and adore it. Thank you so much for watching.